wanted to do another video about this bridge because it's actually, I'm staying real close to it, and let's go on this side of the traffic. So it's actually a pretty interesting landmark, a historical landmark in Mexico. It's been here since 1707, and apparently they had a lot of trouble building this bridge. We'll go over there in a minute. And so they hired some famous engineer who traveled here and had all kinds of problems with dead workers and floods and just all kinds of problems. So a demon visited him in the middle of the night and told him who his wife was cheating on him with. He went out and killed the guy and impaled him on the bridge here somewhere. And I guess the bridge has been standing ever since. That's the story. Let's walk over to the actual bridge. See what it says. Because you can't really see anything driving through. It's obviously not preserved. There's no walkway really. There's a shoulder on the other side of the street that might, but I'm not going to bother. But anyway, so that's Puente de México, or the Bridge of Mexico. Anyway, an interesting story. Thanks for watching.